in.
Okay.
How do I push it in?
Push it in. He's like, oh, okay, cool.
What's up?
Hey.
Hey, I'm gonna go put a pair of shorts on, yeah? Right.
Gabby, you need a life vest. Oh,
Is this one or take another one?
yeah, I'll give you another one.
Get up, get up. Swim out to you? Yes. Easy. Great. Yeah! Hey, queen!
Swim, Justin. Don't hit anything. There's plenty of water out there, you know?
I survived!
Lucky. It's fun riding passenger like that, though.
Oh, it's just the girls?
I thought it was teeth. There you go.
Justin is still out there. Woo! We're back. Look at the rain over there. The guys don't, by the way, the girls don't like it when I point in my videos, when I'm trying to show people something. Look at the rain, and they, look, they make fun of me because I'm pointing. I'm trying to show something. Where'd you come from, dude? Did you jump? Did you jump from there?
I was on that side. I just ran around.
All right.
I heard the commotion.
Oh, I do like it.
Oh, now you do like it. Now you do like it.
Man, don't listen to the haters.
What's up? What's up? Look at the rain behind you. Yeah. I made her a bet that if she could stay on it for 10 minutes, I'll give her $100. It's been 2 minutes.
Standing up.
Yeah, she can't get in the water. Like, oh.
Oh my God. bad. It's not that.
Oh, we're in the good spot where it's not raining then.
Yeah, right?
Ooh, that's a sunny sun.
Have you ever seen Cousin?
A cartoon?
Yes.
Kinda. What? Really?
This ball.
I didn't get that far.
And the name villain is like what kind of name is it?
Really? I've always felt that.
Found this here in the pool.
Really? What kind of name is Keith? I always felt that. That's good.